Here we go, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Let's jump right in looking at the chart of gold. When are we going to hit 5 grand? Well, believe it or not, 5 grand is right up here where that red dash line is. And if we can get a green candle close today, at least where we are now, higher the better. That's basically a 2 down, 1 up. And then high odds, high probability, that's really all you have to work with in any market on any asset. Then we should be testing 5 grand, uh, the first of next week. Okay. So root for gold to close at least where we are now. We want to take out that pivot. In other words, let me show you here from low to high here down that pivot, we want to close over it because that was resistance. So where we are now or higher, next couple of trading days, we should be flirting with that 5,000. Now, what do I think will happen? I think we'll pull back a little bit, and then I try to, break through that, something like this, have a low, higher low and try to go. Okay. Because not only is it a psychological, round number, 5,000, also you have previous support all through here, which, is the floor until it broke, which is now going to be a ceiling that you're going to have to break through. Okay. And silver, in this channel, we just got to make sure we break out of it and not come back and retest the bottom or this 20, which we still could. I mean, and it wouldn't, you know, hurt anything to again put in a low, pull back higher low. See how that works? See all through here. It's done that. So, and then, we're right there at, $90, another, round number. And then right across here, if we go over to this zone, we had, 1, 2, 3 days of, resistance through here, right through here, got over it, came back down. Anyway, once we got under 90, then it's, been hard to get back up there because we got, came all the way back here and it's really done a fantastic job here. So this previous support was uh, then resistance, but we're breaking through it. So we're going to make it support. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do, but that's the one. Okay. Right here. Yeah, that's what we want is for this to break up over it and for previous resistance through here to then become support and help, um, little silver make moves with its big brother gold. Okay. And then I'm going to put that through here. I think that looks better than that channel. You can still see what we're trying to do there. But okay, guys, hang in there. What a great day in the markets. S&P 500 blowing up. Yeah, where are all those people calling for the COVID lows of in the market, collapsing? We're going to be down 30%, 40%. We're going to be eating out of trash cans. The gloom and doomers and negative, they're always wrong. Okay. And whenever, the market always does what hurts the most traders and the most money. If the majority of the traders are over here, gloom and doom, we're going, everything's going to zero and we're going to all be living under bridges. If the majority of them are over here, then guess what? The market's going to do that. Okay. And in the reverse too, once we start getting a little too much FOMO action and everybody is saying, oh, the market will never come down, take a second mortgage out on your house or whatever they do and put it in the market. Yeah, that's when we'll reverse here and come back to reality. But guys, have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. and we will see you on the chart.